Hello! Welcome po sa aking video. Ngayon, surprise natin si Kuya Abod dahil gusto niyang magkaroon siya ng yung brand na LV or Gucci na body bag. Kaya binilhan ko po siya. Hindi naman po siya original ito na premium copy lang po siya, pero good quality naman po. Kaya surprise po natin siya, doon po siya sa kwarto. Yan. Kasama niya yung kapatid niya si Nadia. Yan. Yan. Surprise Kuya Abod. There, I buy for you Kuya Abod.
Okay, I will buy it. I will see what happened in the box, guys.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Wow! This is a traveling bag for me, Mom?
Yes.
Thank you! Okay, I'll open it. Oh, it looks... Yeah, I will...
You like it?
This.
Yeah.
Cool. Careful. Go. Wow! Yay! Thank you, Mom. I like it. Wow, this is cool for me. It's really cool. It's cool, dude. It looks like roti family have like that, guys.
Okay. Open it.
Okay, I'll open it inside.
This is just inside plastic so that it will not take it.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Now you can put it your iPad here, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, you can. It's see. It's fit.
Well, what's this say, Mom?
This is the price or something card like this.
Maybe. And I just mind.
You can put it your mobile and your wallet here.
Yeah, I can put maybe he'll fit my Legos. Because I love
Yeah,
Legos.
you can put it. This is also here.
Oh, I can put my money inside, I think. Thank you, Mom.
I don't know what you will talk. Why you asking me?
Thank you. It's on my back.
This is a body bag, Abot.
Yeah,
It's a
this
body
is-
bag. It's not in the backpack. No. Just wait.
Maybe.
I think it's big for you, Abot. Right?
Yeah,
Little bit for you.
but he fits my iPod, guys. Yeah, because I'll wear this when we go travel. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mom. I thought you would not buy this for me, but all I love is thank you, Mom. I love you.
Okay,
Bye,
Anna.
guys.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.